Notice your surroundings and make a relevant comment to break the ice. It's a natural way to invite someone into a conversation. Reveal a bit about who you are. It builds trust and encourages the other person to open up. Keep the dialogue flowing with questions that require more than a yes or no answer, fostering a deeper exchange. To kick off a conversation, proximity is your first move. By closing the distance to a comfortable 1 or 2 meters, you're setting the stage for a natural and engaging interaction. It's this simple act of moving closer that signals your intent to connect, laying the groundwork for everything that follows. Next, lock in with eye contact. It's a silent yet potent messenger telling the other person, "Hey, I'm interested in chatting with you." This nonverbal cue is essential. It's the green light that says they're ready to engage. Without it, you're just two ships passing in the night. Take Maria's experience at a conference. She spotted a fellow attendee, closed the gap, and with a warm smile and direct eye contact, she conveyed her readiness to converse. The other person picked up on Maria's friendly demeanor and reciprocated, turning what could have been a missed opportunity into a fruitful exchange. Diving into a conversation with someone new can be as simple as asking, "Where are you from?" It's a friendly, non-intrusive question that opens the door to a world of stories about backgrounds, cultures, and personal journeys. By expressing genuine interest in someone's origins, you're laying down the first brick in the pathway to a meaningful connection. It's a crucial step that transforms a casual chat into an opportunity for a richer, more substantial dialogue. Take Pedro, for instance. At a social gathering, he sparked a conversation with a new colleague by inquiring about their hometown. This led to an animated exchange about their unique cultures and life stories, setting the stage for a connection that went beyond surface-level pleasantries. Once you've uncovered where someone hails from, it's your turn to weave a connection. Share a tidbit you know about their place, like Luis, who recounted his seaside holiday tales after learning his co-workers' coastal roots. But don't just talk. Ask. Inquire about the sandy shores they love or the flavors that define their hometown cuisine. It's about swapping stories and satisfying curiosities, a give and take that turns small talk into substantial dialogue. This isn't just chit-chat, it's the art of building bridges. By exchanging knowledge and asking questions, you're not just being polite, you're showing you care. And that's how a simple conversation blossoms into a meaningful, lasting connection. Solidifying a new connection often involves extending an invitation to a social activity. Whether it's a casual drink at a local bar or a meal at a cherished restaurant, these shared experiences create memories that fortify the bonds we form. It's a pivotal step in transforming a simple chat into a deep and enduring friendship. Take Joao's story, for instance. After discovering a mutual love for live music with someone he just met, he didn't hesitate to invite his new acquaintance to a concert. They spent an unforgettable evening immersed in melodies, dancing, and laughter. This wasn't just a night out, it was the cornerstone of a friendship that was built to last. Remembering someone's name is more than just a social nicety. It's a sign of respect and a key to unlocking meaningful relationships. When you meet someone again, saying their name is like a verbal handshake, a warm and personal way to say, "You matter to me." Take Anna, for example. At a company event, she didn't just say hello to her new coworker, she greeted her by name and brought up a detail from their last conversation. This wasn't just polite, it was personal. It showed she listened, she cared, and she remembered. Such moments are the building blocks of trust and friendship. By reconnecting authentically, Anna didn't just recall a name, she reinforced a budding relationship. It's these small, genuine interactions that weave the fabric of strong, lasting connections. So next time, remember the name and the story. It's the cornerstone of community and connection. Ever wondered how to turn a casual chat into a meaningful conversation? It starts with the courage to initiate dialogue with someone new. Whether it's a stranger at a coffee shop or a new colleague, the first step is always to break the ice. Once you've made that initial contact, it's about diving deeper. Ask open-ended questions, listen actively, and share your own stories. This 5-step process isn't just about talking, it's about creating authentic connections that enrich your life and broaden your perspective. So if you're ready to master the art of conversation and expand your social circle, remember to practice these techniques. For more insights, hit the like button, subscribe to Mind Mastery, and turn on notifications. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to your next great conversation.